Problem is, this is a cracker, right? It's a 2026 Autotrail V-line 635.
Nice V-lines, aren't they?
Right? 6.36 meters long or 635 meters long, right? How many miles?
26, we're in 26 now. Oh, about 5,000, something like that.
297.
Oh,
delivery miles only.
Brand new. Why?
Right?
Why?
Come this way.
No,
I need to
I want to show you something here, look.
What?
Look. Made in Britain. Autotrail.
Yeah, I know.
They don't make caravans.
No.
No.
So it's got delivery miles only, Kev.
Yeah.
Never been used. Yeah?
So you're buying a new van.
Literally.
Yeah.
I think they're 80, 90 grand now, new.
Yeah.
I think these are, I don't know what they're going for. Round about this will be, oh, it's automatic as well, forgot to tell you.
Oh.
Automatic, 2.2 litre, diesel. Yeah.
Yeah.
200 watt flexi solar, Avtech TV, liftable boot, outside cold shower. What more can you ask for in this weather? Yeah. Apple CarPlay, aircon cooled bottle storage. What's that? Ooh. Let's have a look at this, Kev.
A new shape front.
We've got it showing it all off.
Yeah, big chunk.
Showing all the van off, Kev.
Big chunky front. Nice, that, isn't it? I like the big skylight. It's up there.
Freshwater capacity.
100.
65.
Yeah.
Waste.
65.
Yeah. Are we going to get that new smell?
Oh yeah.
I like the decals, mate.
Yeah.
Hook up.
Yeah.
Outside shower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cassette toilet.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Look, brand new. You can tell it's
Yeah.
brand new.
Never been used.
Yeah. Freshwater waste.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alloys.
Yeah. Black windows, blacked out window. I like the black.
I like the blacked out windows. Awning.
Yeah.
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute.
Underslung gas.
Are they blacked out?
They've got blacked out from the other side.
It's a sun cab.
Ah, right.
There's a sun on it.
Yeah.
It's a sun out. So, what did you say?
Underslung gas,
There you
refillable gas.
Yeah, fresh water.
£1.6p a litre at the moment.
Is that what it is?
Our local garage here, yeah. £1.6. Cost me 25 quid to fill my car up with gas.
Right.
Electric set.
Barbie?
Barbie point.
Yeah. Cav.
Yeah.
Cav.
It's got that new smell in it.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It's that new smell.
Microwave behind you there. That's a handy place for microwave, isn't it?
Oh, it's a handy place.
Yeah.
That's it. Got plenty of prep area there, Kev.
You lift your stuff out of your microwave and you've got a worktop to put it on.
Yeah. PowerPoint there as well.
Table there, pedestal table.
Yeah. What about the cab? Cab's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely cab, aren't they, the new cab? Yeah, and there you go, you've got your... Is it a 9-speed also in this, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, the new 9-speed.
We've got the blinds. Got the blinds, haven't we?
Yeah, blinds, yeah.
Look at that. Oh. I don't touch anything.
No,
Kev.
because you break it. Yeah.
I know. Right. Sink.
Yep.
3 burner hob.
Combined oven grill. 2 gas burners.
Do we have
one
a little
electric.
famous for the Kev?
Yeah.
Kev.
But
We need to switch stuff on here, don't we?
You've got
Where's
it.
the control panel?
You've got a lifty up here, haven't you, there?
There you go. How do you switch this all on? Oh.
There you go. Got your lifty up.
Let's have a look at that. That's a good size.
Hmm.
Here we go. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's posh, isn't
In
it?
case you forget what van you've got, it tells you it's an
Autotrail, yeah. That's posh, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's alright, that is. Let's do up here, isn't it? Really confusing all this lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Charging, vehicle, leisure.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get into there first. Like I said, let's get into the vehicle. Oh, now we're going to leisure. Level 34, waste. Temperature 40 degrees in here, Kev. 23 degrees humidity.
I don't think you needed to tell me that.
Yeah, but do you know what I mean? They're on about these footballers playing in these conditions. They don't think about us, do they? The conditions we're under.
Can we go and have an hydration break then?
Oh, only like dimmer.
Suit you,
Quite a soft dimmer. No need for that, is it? Hey, now we're cooking.
Right.
Now we're cooking, Kev.
We are, it's 40 degrees.
We are. Right, hang on, what else have we got? Yeah, right, we're in action. So, posh control.
Yeah.
We've got the whale. I do like the whale ones. Do they normally have whale in Autotrail?
No.
Oh.
It's not true, man.
Right, so, what's that one?
Well, some people say trauma. It's true, man.
Oh, and lights under there, isn't there? So we've got storage, Kev.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I like them handles.
Yeah.
Nice, aren't they? See? Oh, no soft close.
Not soft close.
Okay. Got a little
Kitchen cabinet.
yeah, there. 3 burner hob, combined grill oven.
Yep.
Okay. What do you reckon, combined or separate?
Combined.
Go on, go on.
Unless you're going to shower in the fridge. Yeah, it's a wet room. And we've got the drop down wash basin. Storage in there. Your swivelly toilet. There's your shower head. Yeah, decent sized washroom actually, Jason.
Is it?
Yeah. I like the U-shaped lounge. Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, little press ones. See?
Yeah.
I'm liking these as well. We're going all black, aren't we?
Yeah.
But now you switch them on and off. There's a little button there.
Yeah.
On, off. And then loads of storage.
Plenty of storage.
All the way round.
Yeah.
Typical Autotrail, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, look at the size of that window.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, oh, Cav.
Dodgy one.
Cav.
Yep.
Door, window.
Haven't they ever learned?
No. Let's go show people this, Kev.
Right, you said we'll show you there the window, yeah?
Yeah.
There's the door that's actually open. You go and close the door.
Okay.
Oh, it's warm in here, so I think I'll open the window. So I'll open the window. Jason's gone for a walk. I've opened the window because it's really warm in here.
Yeah.
You've gone for a walk. You come back and decide to get in the van. Yeah. And what's
Carefully, Kev.
and what's going to happen if you open that window, that door? And here comes the door and smash. Yeah? Not learned, have they?
No. No.
How many windows have we replaced?
A lot, Kev.
And they're not cheap. So take heed.
Now, folks.
If that window's open and you open the door, you're going to smash your window.
I would be putting a lock on this.
Yeah.
To make sure I didn't open them, to be honest. Because you don't need to have it.
No.
If you've got that window open, more times than anything, you'd probably have your door open.
Your door will be open rather than the window.
Because you've got a perfectly good window here.
Yep.
And there's one at the back,
And
Kevin.
one at the back as well.
Yeah.
And you've got your skylight above you.
Look at that. That's a chunky window. Look at that,
Yeah.
Kev.
Yeah.
It's a proper window. I was just going to say to you, Kev, everything feels new. It is.
Avtex TV.
Outside shower. Turn that off. Yes, Avtex. Right, let's have a look what we've got. Oh, so it's like that, is it? Does that pull out?
Yeah. So that pulls out, pulls across, you can sleep transversely.
But you've got these in as well, Kev. Yeah. For putting in there.
Yeah.
As well. Is that a support?
Yeah.
It is, isn't it?
Yep. To take the strain.
Yeah.
You could actually. I don't know if you could sleep lengthways as singles.
I'll have a look in a minute, Kev. Right.
Removing these back cushions, would it give you a single bed? I don't think it would.
Yeah, look, see these come out as well.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a lot going on under there, Kev, look. So we've got the battery, new module control, look at that. Consumer unit, it's posh, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then look at that Sergeant battery. So it looks like Sergeants are doing all the kit now, doesn't it, by the looks of it?
Yeah.
So, right, jump over there, Kev, I'm going to get these back seats up and have a look.
I'll just show you the fridge while he's messing about like that. They've got a nice big fridge freezer. Yeah.
Hey, there's nothing under there, Kev.
Nice storage there.
There's your poles for your table.
Yeah.
This is nice, Kev.
Yeah.
It is.
And what you've got on the back, we've not done the boot yet.
Yeah, well, we can't get in because that is the boot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're obviously going to make the bed up.
Yeah.
With that into the middle.
Yeah.
Makes the bed up, I think.
Nice easy bed makeup, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? I like the U-shape.
Yeah.
Yes, Kev, we might. Some people will, some people won't.
I would.
You will.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the fridge? Is it a compressor?
Yeah.
Compressor fridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look at the back.
Whew. No cooler when you step outside.
Oh, no.
So you don't have a back door on this. Have a boot. And there's all your storage in your boot.
There you go, Kev, that'll keep you quiet.
Yeah, Autotrail umbrella.
Yeah.
Oh, you've also got storage in here as well, Jason.
Let's have a look. That's
there,
neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can use your pole table outside.
Outside.
Awning.
There's the extra
Oh,
pole
there,
for that.
yeah.
Awning winder, levelling ramps. Comes with all the kit, doesn't it?
Isn't it?
Used to come with chairs, didn't they?
Yes, you're right, didn't they?
Yeah.
What was that Hyman?
No, Australia as well. They used to come with a couple of chairs.
Right, okay.
But no, it's good. Them seat covers there, are they?
Yeah, they're all seat covers.
Right.
Probably put them back on, actually.
Yeah. You're all in up there.
Oh, watch out. So, Kev, what do you think?
Very nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Van. Yeah.
This is a nice van.
Well, it's a brand new van. You're getting a brand new van
Yeah,
for less money.
yeah,
Because at the end of the day, when it was new, you got VAT on it for a start. Haven't you?
exactly. So they're probably, I think they're between 82 and 85. Don't forget it's auto as well.
Yeah.
It's definitely two people at the end of the day.
Yeah. You only got 2 seat belts.
Yeah. This is, I tell you what, it's nice. This is.
Oh,
This
very
is nice.
Nice clean lines.
Yeah, plenty of storage.
Yeah.
Don't forget the back bit for the storage as well. I can't really say anything, can you? The only problem, the only one thing you could say would be the window.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
There's a company called Lock 'em Out that do
Yeah.
a lock you can slip on there.
But we'd be probably being a bit too
Yeah.
petty about it. But again, fridge is nice height as well. With the storage, we did that. So, tell us what you think of this new Autotrail.
Yeah.
You've got the chance of buying a brand new vehicle here. A couple 100 miles, that's all it's got on. You've got all your warranties with it as well. And again, for a fraction of, like I said, I think they're pushing 90 grand now. The new ones are. Let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and I'm getting hot and I'm walking out of here.
Very hot, and the camera's getting hot.